Hello children, today we are going to learn new grammar lesson present continuous tense. Okay, so before that we have to do one warm up exercise. Underline the verbs that tell you that the actions are happening now. That means we have to underline the verbs जो होता है वो action होती है, verbs that telling us the action is happening now. अभी जो शुरू है वो action हमें बता रही है, ऐसे verb को हमें underline करना है. Understood? So she is reading a book now. Here she is reading a book now. That means this girl is reading. Here reading is a verb. ये action हो गई. So reading, underline the reading. She is reading a book now. वह अभी book read कर रही है. She is reading a book now. So underline the reading. Then I am learning to swim. Learning, learning is a verb. That means action. I am learning to swim. Underline learning. Then they are fishing in the pond. मतलब वो मछली पकड़ रहे हैं. These boys are fishing in the pond. So underline fishing. He is playing football. This boy is playing football. वो फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. So playing is a verb. वर्ब मीन्स एक्शन होता है, ये याद में रखो आप सब. कीप इन माइंड दैट वर्ब मीन्स एक्शन. प्रिया इज स्टडिंग फॉर हर एग्जाम्स. दिस इज प्रिया एंड शी इज स्टडिंग फॉर हर एग्जाम्स. वो पढ़ रही है, स्टडी कर रही है. सो अंडरलाइन स्टडिंग. एंड द पेंटर इज पेंटिंग द रूम. दिस इज द पेंटर एंड ही इज पेंटिंग द रूम. कि वो पेंटर रूम पेंट कर रहा है. अंडरस्टूड? The verbs you underlined tell us about actions that are happening now. The verbs whatever we have underlined, हमने जो भी ing वाले verbs underline किए, they are telling us that these actions are happening now. मतलब ये जो actions है वो अभी happen हो रही है. Understood? So these sentences are in the present continuous tense. So we can say that ये सेंटेंस जो है वो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में है. ओके, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. प्रेजेंट मीन्स नाउ एंड कंटिन्यूस मीन्स द एक्शन इज हैपनिंग, कि वो एक्शन हो रही होती है. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. ओके, नाउ सी ऑन पेज नंबर 33. वाइल फॉर्मिंग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. वाइल फॉर्मिंग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, जब हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का सेंटेंस बना रहे होते दैट टाइम we add helping verbs like am, is, are before the ing verb. We add helping verbs am, is, are before the ing verb. That means we have to add these am, is, are helping verb before the ing verb. ing verb के पहले हमें am, is, are लिखना होता है. We will see how we have to write it. क्या अब हम देखेंगे. Now read this table. I am eating sweets. कि मैं स्वीट्स खा रहा हूँ. Here with I we have to use am helping verb. I am eating sweets. You are eating sweets. You are, you के साथ are helping verb हम यूज करते हैं. We are eating sweets. We are eating sweets. हम खा रहे हैं, हम स्वीट्स खा रहे हैं. With we also we have to use are helping verb. They are eating sweets. With they also we have to use are helping verb. They are eating sweets. So keep in mind, I के साथ am. I am teaching now. Okay. You are learning now. We are reading now. They are learning now. I के साथ am. With I we have to use am helping verb. am. With you, we and they we use are helping verb. तब हम उसके साथ are helping verb यूज करेंगे and then ing verb का यूज करेंगे. And when we are talking about more than one person, that time also Jatin and Srini are eating sweets. Here we are talking about two persons, people. That's why we have to use are helping verb and then write ing verb. Okay, so Jatin and Srini are eating sweets. Then Rumina is. Rumina is eating sweets. Rumina is ईटिंग स्वीट्स, कि रोमिना स्वीट्स खा रही है. ही इज ईटिंग स्वीट्स, शी इज ईटिंग स्वीट्स, इट इज ईटिंग स्वीट्स. हाँ, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन पर्सन, एक पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हैं, दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. सो रोमिना इज ईटिंग स्वीट्स, he is eating sweets. he is used for boy or man. he pronoun हम boy या man के लिए यूज करते हैं. she is eating sweets. she is used for girl and it is eating sweet. it is used for animal or for baby, but if we don't know the baby is actually boy और girl, कि baby अगर boy या girl है हमें exactly नहीं पता, तभी हम baby के लिए it यूज करेंगे. Otherwise, it is used for an animal. So it is eating sweets. Understand? Now see, this is one important note. We add or drop letters to some verbs while forming the present continuous tense. हाँ, we add means हम कुछ word को add करते हैं, या फिर drop means remove letters to some verbs, कुछ verbs को. while forming the present continuous tense. present continuous tense में क्या होता है, ing लगता है verb को, main verb को ing लगता है उसके पीछे. and while writing some verb, that time we add some words or we will remove some words. okay, for example, drop, and while making present continuous tense of drop, we have to add again p, dropping. here one drop and again p and then ing, dropping. Same like drive, here drive, and while making present continuous tense of this drive, we have to remove the y. हम इस y को drop करते हैं, मतलब remove करते हैं, and we write driving, D-R-I-V-I-N-G. हाँ, there are some verbs, I will tell you. कुछ ऐसे verb है, मैं बताऊंगा जैसे भी example आएगा. okay? Okay children, now we have to solve one question. Fill in the blanks using am, is, are and ing form of the verbs given in brackets. That means we have to write ing form of this verb. इस verb को हमें ing लगाना है, so it becomes present continuous tense. And before that we have to use am, is, are. I told you am is used with I, is used when we are talking about another person, कि कोई एक पर्सन के बारे में बात करते तो दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज इज. एंड वी यूज आर विथ यू, वी, दे, और मोर देन वन पर्सन. ठीक है, एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करते आर. सो फर्स्ट, दे प्ले इन द पार्क, दे प्ले इन द पार्क. ओके, सो दे मतलब वो, एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन है. सो फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज दे आर. देन ing form of this verb playing, they are playing in the park. Understood? They are playing in the park. Next, Mary bath her pet dog Buzo. Mary अपने पेट डॉग बुजो को नहा रही है. So bath, हाँ, verb bath. Here e will drop, we will drop e while making its ing form. But before, Mary is singular, एक ही पर्सन है. So Mary is bathing, हाँ, ई चला गया. Mary is bathing her pet dog Buzo. Next is mother get apples for us. हाँ, कि मदर जो है, मदर हमारे लिए एप्पल ला रही है, get. So mother is, because mother is one, mother is singular है, so mother is getting. कुछ नो, इट इज़ नॉट डिफिकल्ट, ओनली ing, हमें ing लगाना है. मदर इज गेटिंग एप्पल्स फॉर अस. ओके, द डॉक्टर एग्जामिन तरुण्स सोर थ्रोट. द डॉक्टर एग्जामिन तरुण सोर थ्रोट. एग्जामिन्स में वो चेक कर रहे हैं कि तरुण का गला कैसा है, सोर थ्रोट. ओके, सो द डॉक्टर इज एग्जामिनिंग. Doctor is examining. Here e drop. We have to drop e हमें निकालना है, because we have learned ना कि some verbs हम ऐड करते हैं और some drop करते हैं. So the doctor is examining Tarun's sore throat. Next, the train pass through the tunnel. Train tunnel से जा रही है. Pass, they have given verb pass. So The train is passing through the tunnel. The train is passing through the tunnel. Then F. The men work very hard in the sun. Here I told you. First you have to identify the subject जो पहला है that is singular or plural. The men, हाँ men. That means more than one man. एक से ज़्यादा man है यहाँ पे. So it is a men, plural of man. जब एक होता है तो one man. But if more than one, we can say men, 2 men, 3 men, 4 men, like that. So the men are. Are is helping verb used after the plural subject. Plural subject के बाद are हमें helping verb use करना चाहता है when we are talking about more than one person. So the men are working, इसका ing, working very hard in the sun. दोपहर में भी वो बहुत वर्किंग कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट, द मैजिशियन शो अ वंडरफुल मैजिक एक्ट. द मैजिशियन की जादूगर दिखा रहा है. सो मैजिशियन इज वन, दैट्स वाई मैजिशियन इज यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर पर्सन. द मैजिशियन इज शोइंग. ing form of show is showing a wonderful magic act. Okay, next, we make a tree house. We मतलब हम. We make a tree house. We मतलब more than 2 people, 1 person के बारे में बात हो रही है. So we are making a tree house. We are making a tree house. Here we have dropped e. E हमने निकाला यहाँ का. We are making a tree house. Next is the children sing a song. The children sing a song. Here verb is sing. So, and the children is a plural form of child. एक से ज़्यादा children, एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे होते तो हम उन्हें children कहते हैं. And if it is a one, then we can say child. जब singular होता है तो child, and children means एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे. So it becomes plural. ये plural हो गए. So the children are. With plural person, plural people, we have to use are. एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं तब helping verb are यूज करते हैं. So the children are singing. ing form of sing is singing a song. Next, the teachers have a meeting. The teachers have a meeting मतलब टीचर्स की मीटिंग है. So the teachers, एक से ज़्यादा टीचर्स है. So the teachers are having. Plural ing form of have is having a meeting. HIVING, having a meeting. I walk outside the house. कि घर के बाहर मैं walk कर रहा हूँ. So with I told you, am helping verb we have to use. am ही use करते हैं. So I am walking outside the house. Next, dad jog in the garden. Dad jog in the jogging means ऐसा slow running करना. So dad is jogging. Here we added again g. यहाँ पे हमने add किया. That we have learned कि some verb में हमें add करना होता है and in some verb we have to drop it. So dad is jogging. JOGGING, jogging in the garden. Then the clown stand on his hands. The clown, that means it is looking like a joker की तरह दिखता है वो. So the clown is standing. The clown is standing on his hands. कि hands के ऊपर वो खड़ा रहता है. The plane fly above the clouds. The plane fly above the clouds. कि fly clouds के ऊपर से वो fly कर रहा है. So the plane is flying. इसका ing form हो गया flying. The plane is flying above the clouds. Is because plane is one. The swan swim across the stream. कि swam जो है वो stream में, water stream में swim कर रहा है. So the swan is swimming across the stream. Here again observe, we have added m again. SWIM, swim, then again m ing. The swan is swimming across the stream. Okay children? Okay, so today we have learned the present continuous tense कि जो ing वाला होता है ना, मतलब वो एक्शन अभी शुरू होती है. अंडरस्टूड? मतलब जो शुरू होती है कि चालू होती है, हम कहते हैं ना कंटिन्यूस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. एंड वी लर्न दैट यूजेस ऑफ am, is and are. Am is used with I, are is used with you, we and they, and when we are talking about more than one people. And is used with another person who is single, कि वो एक person के बारे में बात करते वक्त. Okay children? Okay. So whatever we have done, write it in the English notebook after writing it in the grammar book. पहले grammar book में लिख लो and then write it in the English notebook. Okay. Thank you children.